2024 Ford F150 dent repair body line restored without paint or Bondo. Many people believe that dents on a body line, especially in aluminum panels, can't be repaired using Paintless Dent Repair, or PDR. At Angelo Dent Removal, we're here to prove otherwise. We recently repaired a 2024 Ford F150 with a dent that ran directly through the body line on the right front door, along with another dent about the size of a $50. This repair was completed using advanced paintless dent repair techniques. No painting, no filler, no Bondo. The results speak for themselves, with the body line fully restored and the aluminum panel looking factory fresh. Angelo Dent Removal specializes in door dings, minor dents, hail damage, and even certain cases of extreme damage. Not sure if your vehicle qualifies for PDR? Come visit our state-of-the-art estimating bay where we can write up estimates for hail damage, dings, dents, and more, quickly and accurately. Angelo Dent Removal, 2315 Sherwood Way, San Angelo, Texas. Call for an appointment, 325-703-6149. Contact us today and find out if your car is a candidate for paintless dent repair.